In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI with Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting started with Otter AI and Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process, and I'm excited to walk you through it. First, you need to begin by installing the otter.ai Chrome extension. This is crucial because the extension enables Otter to record and transcribe your meetings directly within your web browser. To do this, head over to the official otter.ai website or the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, look for the otter.ai Chrome extension. You'll see an option that says Add to Chrome. Click that and the installation process will begin. With the extension installed, the next step is to sign into Microsoft Teams. Open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. This will take you to your Teams workspace where you can manage your meetings. Now that you're in Microsoft Teams, it's time to start or join a meeting. You have a couple of options here. You can create a new meeting, schedule one for later, or simply join an existing call. Once you're in the meeting, make sure the Otter extension is active. This is important so that you can record the conversation that takes place. Speaking of recording, let's talk about how to activate the Otter recording. Find the Otter extension in your browser's extension menu. It can be really helpful to pin it to your toolbar for easy access, especially during your meetings. Click on the Otter extension to open it. If prompted, sign in to your otter.ai account. Look for the option that allows you to include microphone audio. Make sure to turn that on. To start the recording, click the Start Recording button. You may be required to grant the website permission to use your microphone at this point, so be sure to allow that. Once you have everything set up and recording, you can view live transcriptions. As participants speak during the meeting, you'll see the transcriptions updating in real time in the Otter extension window. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of what was discussed, especially if you're multitasking or taking notes. Quick tip: after the meeting, you can revisit the transcription within the Otter app to highlight key points or add comments for later follow-up. This can help you ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. And that's a wrap on how to use Otter AI with Microsoft Teams. It's a powerful tool that enhances your meeting productivity by capturing every word spoken. If you ran into any issues or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tool as beneficial as many others do.